How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Razer Kraken microphone not working. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that your Razer mic is properly connected to your device. So you simply just want to check for your physical connections, your mic hub, and more. And basically, let's now head over to our Windows settings right here. Click on System, navigate through Sound, and then you want to scroll down to the input. Now, if you cannot see your microphone activating right here, you just want to head over to your Razer Kraken microphone. And in my case, I'm using the SteelSeries Sonar connected to my Razer Kraken. So as of the moment, my SteelSeries is connected. But in your case, you just want to click on the Razer Kraken, making sure that it is currently on use. From here, you just want to make sure that your volume slider is actually turned up. This will enable sounds for our microphone. So heading back over to our input settings, click on it, scroll down, and then you want to remove the audio enhancement. So this can actually modify or change some volume or audio of your microphone. Now, in some cases, as you can see, changing any properties can go ahead and cause audio application issues. And one of the most common reasons on why that's happening is because we are using the audio enhancement right here. So you just want to use the raw microphone input. So you just want to turn this off right here. The second one is heading over to format. And from here, you want to use different formats to see which one works best. And right after, inside your application, maybe you're using something like Discord, head over to your settings, scroll down, click on voice and video. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you're using the right microphone. In my case, once again, it's at SteelSeries Sonar, but you want to select your microphone right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.